We begin with breaking news for you this afternoon. The Kosta Diamantis trial, the former Lamont administration official found guilty on 21 federal charges. News 8 political reporter Mike Cerulli has been covering this from the start. He joins us live from Bridgeport. Mike.
Good afternoon to you, and we began today the third day of jury deliberations. Shortly after 11 o'clock, we saw some hustle and bustle outside the courtroom. We went inside just after 11 o'clock. The jurors filed in. The foreperson handed the judge their verdict, and in rapid succession, less than 10 minutes, the judge read off 21 counts, guilty on all of them. The defendant, Kosta Diamantis, sat silently listening to that verdict. Those first 8 counts dealt with bribery and extortion. The bribery and extortion, these jurors now say he committed against 2 construction contractors who were working on projects funded by the state dollars he oversaw. Those were the first 8 counts, counts 8 through 21. All of them false statement charges alleging that Mr. Diamantis lied to federal investigators when they began pressing him on those payments that we heard about throughout this entire 2-week trial. Defense attorney Norm Pattis spoke to us outside the courtroom outlining what could be a very hefty prison sentence that the 69-year-old Diamantis now faces in light of the 21 guilty counts. Here's Norm Pattis.
I can't forecast the guidelines number. I recalculated them the other night. They're extremely high. And this judge has a reputation for not following guidelines and giving non-guideline sentences. However, given this verdict, he will conclude that Mr. Diamantis was untruthful, a member of the bar, and was in a position of high state authority. So I suspect a difficult sentencing.
Mr. Diamantis declined to speak to us outside the courtroom. He was released until his sentencing, which is scheduled for January. He sped off in his white truck, not saying a word to the reporters as we chased him down the street. We're going to have more on reactions to this verdict. Obviously, this is a political case in some ways. This is a former state official we're talking about. We'll bring you reaction from both sides of the aisle, legal analysis, as well as more words from the defense attorney, Norm Pattis. I can tell you, he walked out of court. The first word he said to me was, ouch. Reporting live in Bridgeport, I'm Mike Cerulli, News 8.